So I want to take a look at this using math in everyday life assignment because I think there's a couple of common mistakes, and I think just understanding how to think about this assignment before you attempt it can make you very successful. So when we're talking about using math in everyday life, we want you to identify 3 real-world situations where you're going to use math. Now, you don't have to be a NASA engineer launching a rocket into space. But anytime you use money, for instance, you're using math. Anytime you're trying to figure out a cooking recipe or how long it takes to do something, or you're checking your pay stubs, filing your taxes, these are all situations that involve some type of math. And so for this project, you need to write an introduction, just a really brief one. This is an example of one where the student is talking through, here are the different pieces that I want to do. And then she actually goes into the problem. So this is another place where it gets missed. So you want to introduce it, talk about the 3 types of problems you're going to look at, but then you have to actually create a problem and solve it using correct math notation. And so this student goes on to say, the original part was talking about she had to plan a birthday party. And so she says that, the cost of the birthday party is going to be Y. The number of people that come is going to be X. I sent out 50 invitations and renting was $650. So if you do the math there, the cost for the food was $12 times the number of guests. So the total cost for the entire party is going to be $12 times how many people for your food, plus the rental fee of $650. And this is incorrect math notation. It's got the equation, and I could substitute any number for X and I would know exactly how much this party is going to cost me. Once you create that equation, then you want to explain it and you want to actually solve it for something. And so in this case, they plugged in 50. And so the total cost of this party was $1,250. So you have to identify 3 situations, create a problem, solve the problem, and then give me what the answer means. So you're then going to repeat this lifestyle 2 more times. Or this style for the paper. So you're going to repeat this twice. So there should be 3 problems, 3 solved answers, 3 interpretations, in addition to your introduction. And that is what this project looks like.